What you're about to see is a web-based app sitting on a Ninox database created with Squirrel365 using basic spreadsheet knowledge and absolutely no code whatsoever. The app is a CRM system, and this is based on two tables. One, a set of leads for the CRM system, and the second, a set of touch points for contact points over time with those leads. In the system itself, we can view the leads by different types, so we can look at the leads, the opportunities, those that are customers, and those that have churned. And inside here, we can start to change the status of different leads. So for example, I might take Chief Foods and mark them as churned because we've lost them. So then they'll disappear from leads and ended up here as Chief Foods in churned. And of course, if we come back here and look at the leads, look at Chief Foods, we can see that they have churned. So it's been updated in the database as we've been interacting with the front end. Other things I can do is take maybe a lead and say I want to advance it to an opportunity. So I say Tigris Systems and click that, it's progressed. That progresses it on to an opportunity. So we can search it here. So we can see we've got Tigris Systems in opportunities. And once again, if I come back to here and look at tickets, we see it's moved from a lead to an opportunity. We can also, from the inside of the interface, look up a particular account. So if I click on this button here, it'll actually look up Quad Acoustics with a Google search. I can also update the details of a particular account. So for example, I might say that as well as promoting Tigris to an opportunity, I want to upgrade the amount to maybe 3,000 rather than 2,000. When I submit that, we'll see here that that was 2,000. We submit it and it appears as 3,000 there. And if I come back here again, if I go to Tigris, we see that it's updated to 3,000 in the database. Finally, I can add a completely new contact. So perhaps I come in here and add some details. And of course, as with everything else, having created that, I can come back to my database and see that this has been added as a lead in the database. So a functional CRM interface on top of two Ninox tables, all written with no code, just spreadsheet logic using Squirrel.